This is the Parkway car park near B&Q in Bury St Edmunds. And because car parks are usually one of the most safest places of all time, I'm going to do my first lift tour video here, as well as a tour of its fire alarm system, of course, which is also kind of worth seeing. And now we go to the side of the building where the two lifts are. Now the two lifts here are pretty basic, but they are obviously modernised. In just the ground floor section there is a klaxon micro sounder above each lift, used as lift alarms. I'll picture those at some point.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
Curtain must be an ecosystem. Now I don't know too much about lifts, and I thought that this lift was a cone ecodisc, but it turned out to be a modernised generic. It kind of seemed that the fixtures were branded cone, but it turns out they were actually made by Dewhurst.
Floor 6. Doors opening.
Now of course I didn't know too much about the lift itself, and the reason why I found out more about this particular lift is British Lifts identified it for me, so thank you to him. That actually used to be a Series 60 ionisation, but it's been replaced with a Series 65 optical. That appears to be one of the only sectors on the system.
This lift is going down.
Let's see.
Doors closing. Floor 1. Doors opening.
Back here again. That looks to be some kind of fire alarm. I don't think that's got to do anything to do with the lifts. And now let's take a look at the fire alarm system. Now it is some sort of really old BBC fire protection system, which appears to have been taken over by a company which has a very random name, Fire Alarm Services, and now eFire, which may have replaced several devices on the system. Oh, the blood vantage sounder. Hang on, that's on the roshni base. That's unusual, I've never seen that before. I don't think that could be done. That's quite clever. There's only a CCTV camera downstairs. Wait, am I on the same floor again? There's another vantage here. No, clearly not the same floor. Here we are. back up here again. But then when they replaced the roshnis with 2 vantage sounders, they somehow reused the bases of the old roshnis. I've never seen that before. That one again.
This lift is going down. Doors closing.
I wonder if these are the old buttons here. There's traces of it.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
These doors are extremely sensitive. That's gone to the other side. And then we go to the other side of the building, where there are no lifts in that section. There are only more fire alarms in that section of the building. I don't know what the main fire alarm panel is, I never located it, but I reckon it could just be a BBC Series 1000 Mark IV, in my guess. I don't think it's a notify fire star, because otherwise it would have notifying devices and not Apollo Series 60 or 65 detectors, and very old style KC call points, and regular old style roshnis. The system used to consist of really old style roshnis, but some of them were renewed to vantage sensors, only to this day. There are about half of the old roshnis still left on it. Another call point's been replaced with one of those. And another sounder as well. That's a shame. And now we come across yet another renewed sounder. This time it's a complete Vantage Combi sounder beacon, which replaced a BBC rebranded roshni which used to be there. And of course that detector as well. Oh, because the roshni on here used to have a shallow base, that's why they reused it. As if a Viper can't actually fit on it. There was also a new style roshni on the system somewhere as well. I don't know if that got replaced with a vantage sounder as well. There was no reason why they had to do it anyway. And obviously I recently replaced 2 of the call points with new style KACs. But even still. Glass is back to front on that call point. Oh well, at least I kept it. There's another remaining roshni. There we're down to ground floor.
It's better to believe. It's better to believe.